Hey bud, well look what a week will do. Almost the snow's most gone. I have monster amounts of mud. Pulled the kid's car out, but he's been doing pretty good. He's got most of his floors all done. Still got to do a couple little patches, and then do the underside yet, but yeah, he's making progress. That's cool. Okay. Alright. So, just touching up a few little nicks and stuff. Noticed I'd missed one dent, so I'm just patching that up. Trying to get that sorted out because Rollies is finally ready for some primer. So we're gonna get to his hot rod there, or his wife's hot rod. So we kind of got this all prepped. We're gonna go prime the roof and then get that one ready. Get primer on it. Get it ready for some paint. Yeah. So that's what's going on today so far. Then I think later tonight I'm going to start working on my dash in the car. On the old Pontiac. So I got all my garnish moldings, pulled them out of the car. I have to clean these up. I don't think they'll fit in my blast cabinet, but either way, I'm gonna clean these up. So I got to do the body work on the edges and stuff. So I'll do these, shoot some paint on them hopefully, and then okay, what I'm gonna strip this stuff with is this. I don't know, worked good on my headlights. I couldn't tell you where to buy it if you're in the States because I got it on my Canadian Tire, and it's called a stripping disc. I don't know. It kind of looks like one of those weird brushes you get for your barbecue, honestly. It's pretty stiff, but I don't know, works good. Seems to last a long time, so that is what I am using on here to strip all this stuff off. Holding that for a long time gets stinking heavy. Holy. So I got all of these prepped, and I'm just going to prime just these edges and stuff. I'm going to mix some up to do the roof on that other truck anyways, so I'll just spurts a bit onto these. So these ones here, same thing. I'm just going to prime my bodywork so I can sand it out a little later. So yeah. So I'm going to start mixing up some stuff. We're going to do a couple coats on the truck in the booth there. Alright, so we got the rad for that Chevy pickup, but the lower rad hose does not work the way it should. So we're going to cut this off and put it in an angle kind of pointing downward. That way we can kind of have a normal hose on it instead of making some weird adapter. So what I'm going to do is just cut this off, tilt it, glue it back on. And there you go. I'll show you the nicer side. Looks better. But we're glued on our new angle. So we should be good to go. Well, I was gonna two-tone this thing or do some kind of a different finish, but man, I dig the color. It's cool. I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm just gonna leave it this brown. Originally, I was gonna do brushed or similar to what that Jonathan W feller did there with the finish. But man, I don't know. I just dig it as it sits. It's got this nice cool look to it. This is a satin, so I still got to do another coat yet, but this is going to dry, yeah, dull down. Won't be so shiny. I don't really want shiny because everything always gets full of dust around here. So, but cool. I totally dig it. It's actually like not fancy paint, I'll tell you that. It is just Rust-Oleum, whatever their brown is. I don't know. I like it. It's a nice color. Maybe I can get that in a bigger bucket. It'd be a pretty cool color on the car, that's for sure. Anywho, I'm gonna do another coat, and then I think I'm gonna call it a night. Early night. And do I like that brown? Pretty sure if I can get it, this is the brown I'm putting on my car. I think she looks cool. At least it does to me. So, got a coat on everything. I think that's what I'm going to call it for today. You can see over here. Got my chopped down garnish moldings there for the doors. They're done. So I'll have to do jams and things like that on her yet. But I have no more of that paint. So I have to get some of that.
The next morning.
I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. A few rough stuffs. A little pitted there, but that's fine. Adds a little bit of character. I'm not trying to make her super fancy, so I like it. Hey buddy, how you doing? So we got her dash and everything all painted. Can't see it too well. But now I'm gonna go pick all this junk out of here and see if I can get some jams. I'll get some color in the jams, front and the back here. Trunk, under the trunk lid. Clean that up. So, as you can tell from the time lapse, I had the grandkids were out. They helped spray some paint on all my little bits here. that, well, honestly, I don't care much about. And I let them help do some work. A little bit of slave labor there. They kind of sanded up all my jams and stuff. So I'm gonna do my I'm gonna paint them. I gotta still mask up my dash here, so that I'm gonna do right away. Esther we've been sitting here for a couple hours just chit-chatting. Unfortunately, I lost the footage, but not that that matters. So what are we here? We are 11:15, and the plan tonight is to spray my door jambs here. So I did the dash. The hood stuff is okay for now. I'm gonna do the door jambs and the trunk stuff. I'm gonna go just spray that. I'm going. Hey, puppers. Hey, gonna hang out. We're gonna do some painting. Okay, so I got my dash kind of masked off so I don't get some junk on it. And yeah, I'm just gonna give everything a quick spray around. I gotta do here, and then I gotta do the jams. I've blown the jams out before, but just basically hitting there and a little bit inside the trunk, because eventually I'm gonna upholster the inside anyways. So yeah, so here we go. Well, there we go. I might wash this off just to make my life easier, because I might want to start sanding tomorrow. Yeah, somebody was mentioning to dust these in. I know it's just a really crappy version of it, but I do dig the black lines. I don't know if I will do the full airbrush spiel, but I'm definitely going to highlight the body lines in black. That'll carry on into the front spear. So that part's definitely happening. I got to do one more coat of the brown, but you can get a feel of what the color is going to be. I'm hoping this will flatten out. It should. Seeing how it is some concoction that I made. I made myself enough that if I had to blow it in, I could, but that'll just probably end miserably. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you can see. Do my lighting a little better there. It's kind of my brown. It should flatten out or get to a satin. That's my goal. I'm pretty happy with it. And I don't know how well you folks can see this, but try to lighten this up a bit. There we go. Look at that. Pretty fancy. Pretty fancy for me anyways. So I'm going to do another coat on the jams and that stuff. I'll see how it looks tomorrow. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, if you could comment, subscribe, give me one of them little thumbs up, likes, that'd be great. Yeah, that's it for now. Gonna call it a night. It's what are we now? We are midnight on a Saturday night. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Whoever out there likes cleaning spray guns is a way better person than I am. This sucks.